Okay, so how do you watch videos from online streaming sites such as YouTube, which we're on right now, but how do you watch them offline on your Android phone? So without using Wi-Fi, without using data from your cellular plan, right? That stuff just eats it up, watching videos just eats up all your cellular data. So how do you watch it without doing that? Well, you need a couple things. You need your Android phone with a USB cable that plugs from your phone into your PC. There, I've got a Type-C connector that plugs into the phone. And then on the far left there, you see the Type-A connector that plugs into the PC. You also need software that can extract MP4 video files from video sharing sites. And I'm going to use YT-DLP, which you can get from GitHub. And that's pretty much it. Obviously, you need a Windows 10 or 11 PC, which is what I'm using. So I'm going to go to github.com /d symbol /d symbol and /YT DLP. I don't know. I guess it stands for YouTube Downloader Program GUI because I'm going to use the graphical version. And then we're going to scroll down just a little bit here. Got to find it. Go to releases, where we're going to get to a zip file to download the portable app to our PC. We're going to click on that. You got the .zip file. It's going to go into your downloads folder. It takes a couple seconds. Open the file. Now we need to extract it. I'm just going to put it onto my desktop just for ease of use here. Throw it on the old desktop. Extract. Copying 229 items. It's a nice portable app, so it's not going to bog down your system, which is good. And there's the folder on the desktop. So let's check it out. Double click. There's our folder. You got the internal folder, and then you've got your actual executable, which is what we'll use. It's only a couple megabytes there. And when you open it first, Windows Defender Smart Screen prevents it. Just tap More Info and Run Anyway. And then it's going to fetch some dependencies such as FFmpeg, which is a really cool multimedia framework used by so many different programs like Audacity, Handbrake, DVD Ripper. Lots of video and audio programs use this to do pretty much anything you can think of with audio files. And like FFmpeg goes into these websites like YouTube and kind of digs out the video files and audio files and then puts them into an MP4 file for you. Very, very simply. It's almost too easy. So we're gonna find some videos here. I'm gonna go to YouTube, go to History Channel, The Universe. Gotta love that program, so I want to put that onto my phone. So I'm gonna start here.
Your smile matters, but so does your
Gotta get
bank
through
account.
these stupid ads here. I swear, YouTube is about 80% ads at this point. But anyway, we're going to copy the URL there in the address bar, and we're just going to paste it into the link. And then we're going to set the path to my video folder, and we're going to press that plus button to add it to the list, and then we just hit that download button, and it downloads. And that took just a couple minutes. A 40-minute video took 2 minutes to download, and it's on my PC. If I go to my videos folder now, there it is, The Universe episode. And if we load media player, it should play no problem. There it is. Now I can watch that offline anytime I want. Just getting off the grid. Let's try from another website here just to show what this program can do. It can do so many websites, but we're going to try Dailymotion. Just another video streaming site from like France or something. And we're going to check out an old program, Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen, So Little Time, an old sitcom from the early 2000s. Classic stuff. Season 1, Episode 1.
It's going to stick to your ribs.
Again, you just go to the address bar, copy that URL, go to your fancy YouTube downloader, paste it into the link bar, add it to the list, hit the download button, and it downloads in 30 seconds. If we go back to our videos folder, there it is. So little time, a dog day afternoon. Boom. There. Now I can go to work, pretend like I'm working, and just watch Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen classic sitcoms all day long if I want to. And they can't pin it on me because I'm offline. They can't, look at my internet history and be like, hey, you're watching Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen videos all day long when you should be working. Like, no, I'm off the grid, man. So just to show you kind of what other programs YTDLP can work with, there we can go to the list of supported sites on this web page, and there's like over 1,000 of them. Like 99% of them I've never even heard of, and I'm sure not all of them work, but just because websites change and they start using different codecs and whatnot, and the programs have to update so that they can support it, but most of these should work. ABC News, I'm sure they're pretty standard. I mean, just so many websites here, it's crazy. I mean, look at that. It's Nickelodeon. Download some Hey Arnold while we're at it. Just a huge list of websites that we can rip from. So now we're going to plug our phone into the Android phone, because that's what I have, into the PC with the USB cable. And we're going to just hit the allow button so that we can exchange files between the two devices. So now we're back on the PC. We're going to go to File Explorer again, go to this PC. We're going to go to our videos folder where we can copy those two videos we downloaded to our phone. Click on Galaxy, internal storage, and I'll just go to the generic movies folder, whatever, and paste. And there they go. From YouTube to our PC to our phone, just like that. And if we just go to our files and click on videos, and then our two videos should be there, and just click on the generic video player, and it will play. If I can hit the button right. Okay. And there you can see me recording it on my other phone, because that's how I do it. I'm old school. Yeah, it plays fine. So yeah, I'm at work. I don't feel like working. I can just watch whatever I want, whatever I can grab from YouTube, from Dailymotion, from Vimeo, Instagram, whatever. Or maybe you're at a funeral, and well, that might be pushing the limits there. That might be a little too disrespectful, but definitely at work.